guys, samahan ninyo ako mag-unbox ng parcel ko na na-receive ko from Lazada today. And these products are coming from Thermo Republic. So as you can see, lukot-lukot yung box, pero don't worry kasi very secure naman yung mga products inside. May mga times talaga na hindi natin kontrolado pag nakaka-receive tayo ng mga parcel na yung boxes lukot-lukot, which is okay lang naman, di ba? So hindi naman yan problem na. So ito nga, kinuha ko na yung unang product, which is the toner, glycolic acid. First time ko actually gagamitin ito. Hindi pa ako nakatry sa kanila. And the second one is the 10% niacinamide. Before 5% lang yung ginagamit ko. So sabi ko, try ko naman itong 10%. And then itong ferulic acid na ginagamit ko in the morning. And the other one is in the